In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Whimsical. Whether you're collaborating with a team or showcasing your work to a wider audience, mastering the art of sharing your projects can greatly enhance your workflow and communication. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to have the file, board, doc, or project you're ready to share open in Whimsical. Take a moment to make sure everything is just the way you want it. Once you're set, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Share button. This is your gateway to sharing your creation with others. Clicking the Share button will open the sharing dialog. Here, you're presented with several options to get your project into the right hands. One straightforward way to share is by copying a shareable link. This method is efficient if you want to quickly send your project over messaging apps or platforms and provide direct access with minimal fuss. Alternatively, if you're coordinating with people outside your workspace, inviting them via email is a practical choice. All you need to do is enter their email address, decide on the permissions like view, comment, or edit, and hit the invite button. This ensures that only the people you want to have access will get it. Choosing the right level of access is crucial. If you select Can View, this restricts recipients to simply viewing the project. They won't be able to interact beyond that. Opting for Can Comment, available on paid plans, lets them leave feedback, which can be extraordinarily valuable for collaborative refinement without compromising the original content. If you grant Can Edit permissions, also on paid plans, they'll gain full editing capabilities, essentially placing the project in their hands to modify as needed. Now, if you're working specifically with boards or diagrams and are interested in presenting or integrating them elsewhere, Whimsical allows you to enable embedding or public access. From the Share menu, use the Embed option or the Export and Publish function to generate the code or a public link. This feature is perfect for embedding your work in websites or digital presentations. To make the project accessible without requiring others to log in, you might need to toggle the Enable Public Access setting. Doing so lets anyone with the link view your work without the gateway of an account. Once you've set everything up, sending the link or invite email is the final step. When your recipients receive it, they'll simply need to click the link. If necessary, they might be prompted to sign into Whimsical to dive into the project you've shared. Making sure your sharing settings align with your intentions will streamline the viewing experience for your collaborators or audience. And there you have it. Sharing projects in Whimsical is as easy as it is versatile. Whether you're inviting collaboration or simply showcasing your work, these steps will ensure your project reaches its audience effectively and securely. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.